What's a query, and how are they important to access? But what's more important is, why are they important to you? A query, just as the word suggests, is a question. It's a question that you ask your database, and the results then become useful in your forms or calculations or reports. A question you might ask, for example, in this particular type of query that you're looking at here, this is the form that you use to create a query, and you're looking at the design view right now. This type of query is a select query, which means that using the criteria that you're asking in your question, it's going to select information from a table or a number of tables within your database. We only have one table visible to us right now, and that's the customers table, so it's the only table I can ask questions about. But you can add more tables to your query very easily, and we'll take a look at that in a moment. Other types of queries that you can create and access include these. Just expand that. We're on the select query. You can do a cross-tab query, a make table query, and as the name suggests, it's going to create a new table from the results. We have an update query, which can actually change the information that you have in a particular field or update a field with a new value. That's a good one because when you perform calculations in your query, it stores the result in your database. The append query can update information in your tables, and the delete query, much like the select query, selects a group of data that you've defined based on your question and then removes it from your database. So if it's time to clear out the records from 7 or 8 years ago because they're no longer relevant, or you want to back them up and then delete them from your database to speed up your database processing, you can use a delete query. They all use the same basic fundamental building blocks that we're going to look at over the next few lessons, but as the names suggest, they all have a different spin and different reasons for asking these questions.